Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and are you ready for the secret to perfectly soft feet? Well, you don't have to wonder because it's this combination of foot files from Rikans. I go barefoot and wear sandals all the time, and so my feet are in constant need of attention. But what keeps me from tending to them is that I really just don't have the time to be soaking my feet in order to get rid of those calluses. And that is the biggest reason I love this set because you can use these on your dry feet and they work just as well. This first one that looks kind of like a cheese grater is stainless steel, and you're going to want to start slowly to remove your calluses. Now, once you've grated off all of that old skin, you can move on to smoothing them, and that's where the second file comes into play. So this has two sides to it. The first one is a little bit rougher. I went over my skin with that first and then flipped it over and then went over it with the smoother side, and my feet came out baby soft and looking amazing. I'm so impressed with how fabulous my feet look. I highly recommend these files, and that's my point of view.